Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you what to do in case Bluetooth is not showing in the device manager on Windows 10. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to enable Bluetooth devices, but you need to make sure that the airplane mode is not turned on. This is unlikely to happen, but just to make sure, you need to check it. To check, click on the Wi-Fi option and check if the airplane mode is turned off. Once you have checked, go to the search bar and type in services. So this is the best match. Click on it. Then search for Bluetooth support service. Make sure that this service is running. If it's not, right-click on it, then click the Start option. After that, right-click on it again and then select Properties. Ensure that the startup type is automatic. Then click Apply and then the OK button. By the way, you also need to enable other Bluetooth-related services like this one or this one. If these are disabled, then you need to enable them as well. Once all of these are done, check if you now have Bluetooth on your device manager. If not, then proceed to the next solution. You need to right-click on the Start menu and then select Device Manager. So, as you can see here, on my end, Bluetooth is showing up on my device manager. However, in case you do not have the Bluetooth option on your device manager, click View tab, this one, then click on Show Hidden Devices. Your Bluetooth should now appear on the device manager. If not, then try the next method. You can use the Windows Troubleshooter. This should help resolve the issue. To do this, you need to click on the Start menu, then click Settings or the gear icon. On the Settings page, find and click on Update and Security. On the left pane, click on Troubleshoot. Next, click on the link that says Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Bluetooth, then run the troubleshooter. Wait for it to complete. This is actually an effective method, so you should try it. Once it is done, close the troubleshooter. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.